Okay, everyone, listen up. I don't want to hear any quacks, tweets, oinks, whinnies, or cockly-doodle-doos when I say dodgeball.
Oh, man. Pump it up, pump it, pump it, pump it.
Split into 2 teams, popular versus unpopular.
Coach!
Yeah, unpopular.
Shouldn't we review safety guidelines?
Sure. Hit the pig, kids.
Calm down, Runt. Just do what Fish is doing. Woo! Tough morning.
I had a run-in with my old nemesis.
Scum in the crosswalk.
He won this round.
Your old foe.
Mm-hmm.
Incoming on your right. Thank you. Yeah, I heard about the movie. Tough break.
Yeah.
Well, hey, maybe it'll just go straight to video.
That's the least of my problems. Whoa! This morning, my dad told me I should basically just disappear. But you know, that's not gonna get me down because I've got a plan. You wanna hear about it?
Uh-oh.
No, this one's good. Okay, well, look, one moment destroyed my life, right? One moment. Warthog at 3 o'clock.
I see him. Yes.
So I figure all I need is a chance. All I need is a chance to do something great to make everyone forget the whole sky falling thing once and for all. And then my dad will finally have a reason to be proud of me.
Time out! Nurse!
Hi, Tiffany.
Hey, man, what's going on?
Yeah, it's Denise.